unlimited samgyupsal trend is unstoppable, sprouting in the metro like the Yakiniku-style Japanese BBQ. The Korean barbecue craze started simultaneously with Filipinos' love for popular Korean telenovelas that mirror Korean culture, including their food. Hello fellow food trippers, please join us on this food trip to dine at SAMYEOPSAL, a Korean brand buffet from the Vikings Group of Restaurants at Level 2, Ayala Mall Vertis North, North Avenue, Quezon City. SAMYEOPSAL serves over 60 food choices with the most-craved unlimited samgyupsal and the historical army stew. For diners to enjoy different flavors and taste, the buffet offers 8 colors of samgyupsal marination, from simple to complex, such as garlic, salt and pepper, wine, ginseng, herbs, curry, soybean paste, and chili paste. Serve with assorted banchan or side dishes of fermented kimchi, pickled beetroot, stir-fried fish cake, and green iced lettuce with samgyupsal sauces, which provides balance to the patty meat. The hands-on cooking of our meat choices lets us eat at our own pace and enhances our dining experience. The buffet comes with 4 authentic flavorful Korean stew served on a pot where the differences lie in the ingredients and embellishments. From the lightest to the spiciest flavors like the HAEMUL TANG, the spicy seafood stew, the KONGBUL, the spicy pork bulgogi, the GALBITANG, the beef stew, and the army stew known as the Korean Budae Jjigae. According to food historians, army stew is a popular hot pot dish that began from the food shortages of the Korean War and immediately after the Korean War. Commonly, army stew contains American processed foods such as spam, canned baked beans, sausages, and processed cheese slices. The army stew's main flavor components are gochujang, a Korean chili paste, and gochugaru, which is a chili powder, provides spice, umami, and saltiness. If you do not like spicy food, you can choose the galbitang or beef stew instead. It's a hearty, nourishing soup with a delicately clean taste. It can be adjusted or elevated with your prepared ingredients added to the stew. At the press selection bar, diners can indulge in ingredients of raw, plain, or marinated beef, pork, chicken, and organ meats, kinds of seafood like shrimps, seashells, squid, fish fillet, and fish heads, assorted fish and meatballs, dumplings, tofu, mushrooms, pressed veggies, and noodles, among others. Added to the simmering broth for a wonderful hot pot, and on the grill for a flavorful barbecue to enjoy and be satisfied. The buffet serves upon order 6 unlimited flavors of boneless crispy chicken like supreme chicken, fried chicken, snow cheese chicken, honey garlic butter chicken, honey KONGBUL chicken, and yangnyeom chicken, which are best eaten with kimchi rice and leaves you craving for more. The hot mains are popular Korean foods such as the sweet salty, rich beef dish bulgogi, the stir-fried sweet potato glass noodles japchae, the spicy rice cake tteokbokki, an assorted gimbap of seaweed rice roll filled with a variety of fillings. The dessert section has pressed fruits, assorted mini cakes, ice cream, and halo-halo, with beverages of cold fruit juices, house blend tea, and Korean beer in cans, which we enjoyed throughout the buffet. Vikings Group of Restaurants has retained its aim to bring unlimited feast with affordable dining experience. The regular buffet rate at SAMYEOPSAL on weekdays is 828 net and 878 net on weekends and holidays, with 3 hours of dining time. Whereas the express dining promo is only 628 net with 90 minutes of dining time except on holidays. SAMYEOPSAL invites birthday celebrants to eat for free, accompanied by 1 full-paying adult on their birthday and 4 full-paying adults on any day within their birth month. One more enticing deal is the 20 plus 2 promo, wherein a reservation of 20 full-paying adults can have 2 other guests dine free. With SAMYEOPSAL's enticing promo, you can stay within your budget while enjoying your special day with friends and family. You may call to reserve your seats at hotline number 88454647. See you on our next food trip at Baram Premium Buffet. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.